Hi, I'm Miss Allen, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started playing the French horn. So let's go! We're going to start with just the mouthpiece, because that's where our sound begins. Let's start by forming our embouchure. Your embouchure is the way your mouth is shaped when you play. Start by saying the letter M. M. Then pull the corners of your mouth back into a little smile. Keep your corners firm. Then point your chin to the floor to make it flat. Take a deep belly breath and blow air until your lips buzz together. M. It's definitely a silly sound at first. If you can't get it the first time, that's okay. You need lots of air, so use more than you think. Now let's try it on the mouthpiece. Hold the mouthpiece gently between your thumb and your first few fingers. With the horn mouthpiece, you want 2/3 of your lips to be on the top part of the mouthpiece and 1/3 to be on the bottom. I like to think that the rim will sit in the middle of my bottom lip. Now set your embouchure, M, corners back, deep belly breath, and blow. M. Now let's put the mouthpiece into the horn. This is the lead pipe of the horn. It just takes a gentle push, no need to jam it or smack it in. If you do get it stuck, you'll have to take it to a repair shop or your band teacher to get it unstuck. Now let's learn how to hold the horn. There are 2 types of horn, single and double. The single horn only has 3 valves, while the double horn has 4. The notes we are going to play today will sound the same on both types of horn. I have a double horn. Let's start with our left hand. Your left hand goes around the horn and your fingers are curved slightly on the valves. Your thumb rests on the trigger valve. The other 3 valves are numbered in the order from the player's point of view. I'm the player. This is valve number 1, and you'll use your pointer finger. This is valve number 2, and you'll use your middle finger. And this is valve number 3, and you'll use your ring finger. This ring right here is for your pinky. Once you've gotten comfortable holding the horn, try to keep your pinky out of the ring, just resting on top. But for right now, you can put it in there. Now, what do we do with our right hand? It goes inside the bell. Yup. Inside. We're not stuffing our whole hand in there. We're making a relaxed shape, almost like we're holding a small amount of water in our hands. Your thumb stays on the outside of your hand and your fingers stay together inside the bell. Your fingers go on the inside of the top of the bell and your thumb is on the outside of the bell, like this. This can be sort of tricky at first. It takes practice to get good balance holding the horn, but you'll get there, I know you will. Now let's talk about posture. Sit up nice and tall on the edge of your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Many horn players let the bell rest on their right leg, and some players will hold the bell up. However you do it, make sure you bring the horn to you. Don't bend your head down to the horn. Now we're ready to play our first sound. For our first sound, we aren't going to press down any valves. This is called an open note. You could play a handful of notes, but our goal today is to just make sound. I'll demonstrate the most common notes you might play. In order to get sound, we have to set our embouchure. Do you remember? M. Firm corners, flat chin. Take a deep belly breath and blow air through your lips into the horn. This time, let's also try saying the syllable ta or ti. If the sound is airy or doesn't come out clearly, don't worry. Make sure your corners stay firm and that you are blowing fast, steady air. You're going to need more air than you think. Look at all of this tubing. You got to get all your air through all the tubing. If you made sound today, that's awesome. And if you didn't, that's okay too. Listen to my sound and see if you can make it sound the same. Now, let's try it together again. Deep breath, firm corners, lots of air, T. You may need to watch this video a few times to remember everything, and that's completely normal. Just keep trying. Your best is always better than you think. Check out my next video on the first 5 notes of the French horn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.